This highly rated voice recording application for Android devices is designed to offer users an intuitive and efficient way to capture audio effortlessly. With its simple yet elegant interface, it allows users to initiate recordings with just a single tap, making it incredibly accessible for anyone, whether they are students, professionals, or casual users. The app supports multiple audio formats, giving users the flexibility to choose how they want to save and share their recordings. It is particularly useful for recording lectures, meetings, interviews, and personal notes, ensuring that important information is never lost. Users can easily manage their recordings through organized folders, making it simple to locate past recordings. Moreover, the application typically includes cloud integration features, allowing users to back up their recordings and access them from different devices. This ensures that valuable audio files are safe and easily retrievable. Overall, this application stands out as a versatile and powerful tool for anyone in need of a reliable audio recording solution on their Android device, making it an essential companion for effective communication and documentation.